Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you a very simple home beauty trick that can create an amazing difference. Many of us buy expensive face creams, but we often forget that the solution can be made from things we already have at home. Today we will use only 2 ingredients from our home, lemon and honey. Let's see how we can improve our face glow, smoothness, and overall appearance quickly.
Fresh, bright,
Why lemon
and
and
kind
honey?
to my
Before we
skin.
go into the recipe, let's quickly talk about why we chose these 2. Lemon. Naturally, lemon contains vitamin C, which can help brighten the skin, reduce dark spots, and help remove dead skin cells. Honey. Honey also provides natural moisture for the skin. It helps support the skin barrier and can help soothe the skin, leaving it softer and more healthy looking. How to prepare? The recipe is very easy. Prepare a clean bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. Add a few drops of fresh lemon juice, from about half a lemon. Mix well until it becomes smooth. Then, wash your face and dry it. Apply the mixture evenly on your face and also on your hands. Leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes. Finally, rinse with clean warm water. How often to use plus results? You can use this at home 2 times per week. On the second day, you may notice a surprising change. Your skin can feel smoother, brighter, and more beautiful. I'm telling you from experience, this is worth trying.
Fresh, bright,
If you try
and
it,
kind
please
to
comment
my
and
skin.
tell me what results you got. You'll be happy with the outcome. That's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it so others can benefit too. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye and take care. Safety note, if you use lemon on your skin, avoid direct sunlight afterward. And if your skin is very sensitive, do a
bright,
patch
and
test first on your hand before applying to your face.